Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our Islamic channel Islam the Infinite Light. Let us learn more about Islam. Today we are going to discuss the meaning of powerful dua La hawla wa la quwwata illa billahil aliyyil azim. Abu Huraira, may Allah be pleased be with him, narrated, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, recite La hawla wa la quwwata illa billahil aliyyil azim abundantly, as it is from the treasures of Jannah. So, my dear brothers and sisters, why not we take advantage of this beautiful and powerful dua and get the treasure of Jannah in the world itself? And if we understand the meaning of the duas which we are reciting, it will be more enjoyable and we can recite it by heart. So, let us learn the meaning of this dua word by word. La means no in English. You can relate la as there is no. Hawla has a root word of hawl, which means change or transformation or power. Once again, Hawla means power or change. Wa is preposition, it means and. La means no. La means no. Quwwata means strength. Quwwata means strength. Illa means except or but. Illa means except or but. Be is a preposition and it means in or with. Allahi means Allah. Allahi means Allah. Ali. Ali is one of the names of Allah and comes under 99 names of Allah, and the meaning of it is the most high, the most exalted. Al Ali, the most exalted. Al Adim again is comes under 99 names of Allah and it means the great, the supreme, the magnificent. Al Adim means the great, the magnificent. Thus, La hawla wa la quwwata illa billahil aliyyil azim means that there is no power and no strength except with Allah, the most exalted, the most supreme. There is no power and no strength except with Allah, the most exalted, the most supreme. Subhanallah. In another hadith narrated by Sayyidina Abdullah, may Allah be pleased with him, Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, whoever has difficulty or stress should recite La hawla wa la quwwata illa billahil aliyyil azim abundantly. Hope you have understood the meaning of this powerful dua. If you do so, then please like, share with your friends and family members so that they too can benefit from this dua. Please subscribe to our channel. Jazakallahu khairan.